Do you think that in order to receive you need to give? If you're doing that, then you're tying receiving with the condition of giving. And that's just a subconscious pattern running in the background. Especially as women entrepreneurs, we've been programmed from a young age to really overgive our love, our attention, our resources, and even our money. So what happens if you're doing that and you're at the beginning stages of your business and you're not making any money? You'll get into investing in a lot of courses, coaches, donating to charity, give money to others, hoping that if you're doing that, then you'll receive as well. But what happens is that it's possible for you to not receive if you're connecting your worth to something outside of yourself. So it's really important to spot this pattern from the beginning, because if we don't spot it, we can get to bankruptcy with our businesses. So that's why one of the hypnosis I created for the Recoding Wealth course is called Rewiring Overgiving. And along with other 30 hypnoses like Rewiring Spending with Pleasure, Receiving with Ease, or Selling with Confidence, Recoding Wealth is like a toolbox with hypnosis that helps you to really rewire these deep ingrained patterns in our subconscious mind that blocks our manifestations, our abundance, and money coming in our businesses.